To change the Jafron cartridge, you need to follow the instructions with the very innovative bypass tubing set, allowing to continue the CRRT, meaning adequate renal dose and no downtime. In this case, open the two white clamps on the bypass system here, then clamp the two blue clamps and the two red clamps as showed here. By performing this manipulation, you're still running the CVVHD mode without adsorption. In between, you can prepare and prime a new HA cartridge as explained in the chapter HA cartridge preparation standalone. To do so, you need to return all the blood inside the tubing set and HA cartridge with 500 milliliters of saline solution. Connect the priming line solution to the red access. Then, open the red clamps again. Introduce the priming solution by opening the two blue clamps to return all the blood. Then you can remove the old HA system and replace it with the new one prepared in between. As explained in the chapter, prepare a new HA cartridge. Then, when all the blood has returned, you clamp the line again, and now you can start the process to change the HA cartridge. After clamping the two blue clamps, you need to disconnect the blue line of the set. Reconnect both systems together to avoid contamination during this phase. Then you can reconnect both systems together. Then you can remove the old HA system and replace it with the new one prepared in between. As explained in the chapter, prepare a new HA cartridge. During all this process, the CRRT is never stopped, meaning the renal dose prescribed will be achieved due to very low downtime. As soon as you're ready to reconnect the new HA cartridge to its tubing set, as detailed in our IFU, install the new one vertically. Reconnect the artery line with the red access and the blue one to the lines showed above. Open the clamps on the artery and venous lines, 2 on each side. Close the 2 white clamps used previously immediately. In this case, you won't miss any time of treatment and renal dose achievement. Now you are again in CRRT plus hemoperfusion.